Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bulk Create feature in Canva. I saw a lot of people using this, but I realized it is very simple. So I'm going to show you the exact things you need to make this possible. It is really simple. So make sure you follow me closely and let's make this happen. So actually, before you start, you need to select a template that you will start from based on what you want to design. So you can choose a flyer or a certificate or a poster or whatever you want to do. So I have chosen a certificate and I want to create certificate for these people. So these are 10 people. So I want to bulk create the certificate with these names. Each person having his or her own name on it with the same contents though. So we will maintain the date and all that stuff. All we will change is the name. So just head to apps and then type in bulk create. So you will see the bulk create over here. So just click on that one and let the system load. So you will see this interface. So this interface allows you to export an Excel file. So you see that I arranged my content in an Excel file. So I just select that document and upload it. So when I upload it, Canva or Bulk Create will arrange everything for me. It will categorize the names, the dates, and everything. So just click continue. So over here we map the data fields over here to their corresponding elements on the page. Okay, so you can just click and drag the name to the name on the certificate. That is one way. So the next one, the course, you can just click and then drag that one too. But then there is another way to connect it to. Okay, so as you can see, connect up here. So when you click on the certificates, you can click on connect tab here to choose from the data fields. So make sure you choose a corresponding data field when you click on the elements on the certificates. Okay, so you have chosen the CEO name, so make sure you choose CEO data field over here. So make sure you repeat that for all the elements. So all our elements and data fields has been connected, as you can see over here. And if you want to generate everything, make sure to select all. Okay, so the one that you don't want to generate, don't select it. After that, then create your design. So wait for Canva to do its magic. So after it's done, you see the notification up here. So view design, click on that one. It will create a new document for you or a new file for you. So you will see your certificates over here or your designs over here, each name with each certificate. So you can use this to create a lot of designs and schedule them ahead of time. It makes design very easy. So you can just do your small editings and you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Try it and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So if you like this, make sure to subscribe and also share to others to watch this and know how it works. See you later.